Replatforming a typical corporate website can be anywhere from a 12 to 18-month exercise. And most of that time goes into rebuilding the same components and site setup that any modern website needs. I'm Cade Whitburn, Practice Director at Accentium, and we've been a global digital agency for 15 years and a Sitecore Platinum Partner for 10 of those. And we've put all that insight and experience into building a website accelerator framework, a pre-built site implementation that any organization can use to quickly stand up a professional, robust, secure, and performant SitecoreAI website. I'm going to demo what that accelerated pre-built website looks like for a business in the financial services industry. But our accelerator can work for any industry vertical. So let's start here on our landing screen. As you can see, there's a pop-up supporting personalization across 3 different customer segments. We have investors, B2B finance, which is brokers and agents, and personal banking. Let's start with investors. As you can see, all the standard components here. We have a mega menu, we have the options to log in, we have an alert bar, and then we have other standard components like promo tiles and card rows, and more than 50 other enterprise-grade components, all built for personalization, localization, and scale. And of course, we have industry-specific components in this example site as well. For example, we have statistics here, and down here we have a funds component showing performance and price and other facts and links to resources. You can click through on any of these and see more information here. As you can see, fully functioning and well-developed UX. Let's click back to the home screen. Now, if we select B2B finance, we can click through to this section and again, see some core components on display here. Additional components in this section include a testimonials widget. And as we click through on this section, we can see a charting component that is customizable based on your specific needs, but again, fully functioning and interactive. Consider all of these components very much a starting point. By no means expected to be a finished product, but it enables you to get started quickly and save more than 30 to 40% of the effort and cost associated with a website rebuild. Let's come back to the home screen again for the last time and select personal banking. The content here is tailored for this specific audience, but I should make clear that content across this site is reusable in any context, where you can manage the source from a single place rather than it being duplicated. Some more custom components. In this case, we have a comparison interface. Easy to use, simple to set up and customize. The other cool feature we have specific for our financial services accelerator is a set of calculators. And we actually have more than 20 pre-built, fully functioning, ready to go calculators available here. The UX is clean and easy. The UI can be tailored to your brand guidelines, style guide, and required UI. The other component we have that comes with our accelerator implementations is an agent we've built with SitecoreAI Agentic Studio. This is an FAQs agent, which automatically creates the content and the interface for an FAQ widget based on content that it can find across your website. It's a specific but highly relevant and useful use case for AI accelerated content development. Coming back to the home screen again. So this is our financial services accelerator, but under the hood, it is 100% customizable with a flexible design system that can be aligned to your UX, UI, and governance standards. It does run on SitecoreAI, but comes with DevOps workflows and theming built for multi-site governance and accessibility compliance. Now, we do have other AI accelerators for SitecoreAI. Now, we would love to have the opportunity to demo a version of our accelerator tailored to your website. We've done the hard work already to build out the core components and get the site set up ready. Now, all we need is your brand and content and style guide, and we can get to work, reducing your website migration effort and cost by 30 to 40%, and delivering you a new website quickly, built with modern web standards, ready to take your business further. If you're looking at a Sitecore migration and wondering if it can fit your budget and timeline, why not get in touch and let's talk it through. Thank you.